Yo, yo. Hey, yo. What up, chat? Good morning, everyone. Good to see you here. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in, everybody. W's in the chat here today. We got W's on early in the morning here. Got W's coming in today. If you're happy to be here, put a W in the chat because we are W coming in, W coming out, blessed coming in, blessed coming out here today. What up, Forex Frank? What's up, everybody? Good to see you all here. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike is in the building. What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing good. What's good, Options? I think Options was the first one here last night. What up, Options? What up, Legrand? Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Shiro's in the building? Shout out to Shiro. Who else we got here today? What up, Gotta Trade? What's up, Grid? Who else we got? Who else we got? Lewis G's in the house. What up, Lewis? What up, YOLO Trader? YOLO Trader's here. It's going to be a good time. What up, Ewan's in the house? Good morning, Ewan. What's up, Henry? Off the Face is here. What up, Off the Face? What up, Level Up? What up, what up, what up? What's goody? All right. Prickly's in the house. What up, Prickly? What's up, Evan? What up, J Trades? What up, Dennis Hood is here. What up, Dennis Hood? What up, Rob Trades? What's up, George? George VDM in the building. Storm Player's here. What up, Storm Player? What up, Rapid Max? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. And to some of you guys, good evening. What up, Nathan? All right, let me just set up Zoom here, and we're gonna get going. Lovely, lovely. All right, let me send this. Let me share my screen. Send the Zoom link, and we're about ready to go. All right, Zoom link is out for all the Zoomers. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord here. Almost 6,000 people in the free Discord here. But awesome. I think we are good to go. Let me just share my screen. There's Jules. What's up, handsome man? The man there. What's up, everybody in Zoom? Good morning. Let me share screen here. I think we are good. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I think we're straight. All right, let's get this over here. We got to email Zoom, man. Let them know we're mad at. What up, Big Folk Red? All righty, let's do this. It is 7:02, hourly candle closed. Let me just take a look here. How everything closed up. Bullish. All right, pretty decent. Let me take a look at gold here. Gold. All right, cool. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here today, gang. We'll do a quick top-down analysis, and then we will get the party started. So music good. Let me lower it just a little bit here, and I think that's good to go. So welcome back to another live stream. It is Tuesday, right? Yeah, it is Tuesday, the second day of the week. It is the 17th of October. Good morning, Joseph. 17th of October here. We're going to go ahead and see what we got in the headlines here, and then we'll go ahead and open up the charts, see what we got going down with price action. But first, let's take a look at what we got in the news here today. So, again, today is the 17th of October. It is a Tuesday, and we do have some red folders here with the CPI coming in for the CAD, for the Canadian dollar. That's going to come in here at 8:30. You have a lot of CAD news here today. So, but the biggest one here is going to be CPI for CAD. Maybe Sam will come in and talk a little bit more about this later. But they're expecting similar numbers, right? They're not expecting a drastic change here. So we'll keep an eye on that at 8:30. We also do have some red folders here for the US dollar at 8:30 as well. So we do have core retail sales here coming in today. So we'll see, how all that comes out. Again, they're looking at a little bit drastic of a change here. So not like the CAD, a little bit different. in terms of the numbers. But man, if you just look here, we have a flood of news. So all throughout the session here today. So again, another day, another opportunity to be disciplined, another opportunity to stick to what we do best, and you know, avoid some of this crazy whipsaw stuff when news comes out, but be there to follow price action afterwards. So that's about it here for today. Let's go ahead and open up the charts, do a quick top-down analysis on gold and pound yen, and then we'll chill out. All right. Cool. You guys like the stream? If you guys could give the stream a like, that would be awesome as you settle down into the stream here and make your way in. Take your shoes off, relax a little bit, give the stream a like, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here on gold. So taking a look at gold here today, this is the weekly time frame. So we do know that we have been in this downtrend here for the past couple months now, right? Gold has been moving down, creating these nice lows and lower highs and lower lows, lower highs. Now we see here that there was a massive bullish candle that came in last week, and we just ripped all the way up, right? Now, very, very strong candle, but a little bit of an odd candle, wouldn't you say? Right, a little bit of an odd candle, being that there is no bottom wick. There's also no top wick here on this weekly candle, and pretty much closed right at this, you know, level of resistance here. So a little bit of a rejection zone here. If you look left, lots of rejections here within this general area. So that's what we're looking at here on the weekly. We are pretty bullish based off of that closure, but we also know what's happening, right? So we'll see if price decides to move up here this week, or if that no top wick is going to keep us pushing down. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish yesterday, so we moved up, right? We were, again, understanding why we could, you know, possibly reject this level. Again, no top wick, also closing right at resistance. No surprise that gold closed bearish yesterday, and now it looks like you've got a top wick. You've made a bit of a low, and if we can continue down here today, then there's a possibility that we correct this move that happened yesterday, so or Friday. So let's see if we can get that there. So we are pretty bearish based off of the day here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour has a obvious support right here, right? And then we also have a resistance right here. And this is the range that we're trading in, right? So currently this candle has not closed. This candle is still open. Therefore, we don't have any sort of confirmation that price will move up just yet in this range to fill this area here, right? So you're getting a somewhat of a rejection. You also have no bottom wick on this candle. So yeah, we'll see what happens with the 4-hour time frame here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour and the 30-minute, because we want to find where we can take some positions here today, right? So looking at the 1-hour candles, right? So the bullish momentum is clearly dying out. 1-hour candle is now flipping bearish, right? As you can see, you had a support right here, right? Price jumped off that support. We came up, filled the wick, tapped into that resistance to the left, and then rejected it, right? So very small, weak, bullish candle on the previous closure here on the 1 hour, and now we've broken the lows here. So moving bearish. Let's go ahead and make sure we have this resistance marked off here as well, and let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 30-minute. So 30-minute as well has a pretty strong resistance here, here, and here. If you get a closure back below, very high chance we move down to see if we can retest that support at 1919 and potentially start to begin the move back down here on this daily candle, right? So we've made a top wick. Now if we continue moving down, that's what we're going to anticipate here today. And yeah, that's what we're going to look for. So right now we're stuck in this range here, right? We're kind of just chopping around in this current range. So this range right here for me is going to be a no trade range. So not going to touch anything at all within this range right here. This is going to be a no trade range here for me today. I am going to look to take buys though as we move on up. We got clean traffic moving up, so I'll definitely look to take my buys above here. And it's same as moving down, right? We're pretty bearish on the day. If we do get closures below these ranges, you can expect price to move down here today. So going to be looking to trade in the green zones here today. Going to stay out of the red zone. Not going to touch anything in here. No point. A lot of rejection, a lot of sideways action. Yeah, so if we can get a closure back below, I think sells look pretty clean. If we can get a closure above. Then we also have pretty clean traffic moving up here today. So pretty good day here on gold. Gold looks very, very good as of right now. Now we just have to sit tight and wait for this range to break, right? Let's go ahead and measure this range to the top side. You got about a 65 pip range going up. And then below here, you also have a nice 35 pip range. And then if you continue down here, you know, you're looking at even bigger ranges here. Very, very clean traffic outside of the support level here on the 1 hour. So let's see if we can get the closures we're looking for. And then, yeah, we'll execute. Right, we get a playbook position, we're going to execute on it. So buys are going to be pretty clean above 19.25.980 here. I'm going to look to take my buys above there, and then sells are looking very nice below this level here, right? This major level of resistance. There's also a bit of a 15-minute support right there. So I'm going to look to take my sells below 19.22.449 here today. So that's going to be the day for me here on gold. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, so let's just mark this up. Boom, bam. All right, perfect. And that's it. That's the day on gold. And if we have to draw new supports and resistances eventually, we will do that. But as of right now, this is it, right? We'll follow price action throughout the session, but for now, this is what we got here. So that is that's going to be the day here on gold. Now it's just time to sit tight and wait. Again, going to be looking to stay away from this range right here. Not really going to touch anything within the red range, but anything above 25 again is going to be super clean, and then anything below 22 here is going to be very clean as well. So that's going to be the day here on gold for me. If you guys want, take a picture of it, mark up your charts. But I think this is going to be the cleanest. These are going to be the cleanest ranges for price to trade in here today. Cool, good, got it. Good, awesome, perfect. So let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen real quick as well. Oh, pound yen moving up here, very nice. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at GJ. So going and looking at the daily time frame, we did close. I don't know what happened. Looks like something drastic happened here on pound yen on this 4 hour push down. Not too sure what that was. Anybody know what that was caused by? Let me just see something here. I don't see anything here, so yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't see much here to relate to that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, see where we're at. Look, so we got the daily candle, right? We did close bullish. We've come down. We've broken the lows. Really just a nasty range here, right? I mean, not the hottest range here on the daily time frame. You have just a lot of chop, right? Just a lot of just consolidation here in this zone. So daily time frame really needs to make a move, needs to, you know, make a push out of this range here. You've got pretty clean traffic coming up to 183.750 here, and then you also have pretty clean traffic coming down to like you know, 180 down here. So let's see what's going on the 4 hour time frame here. So 4 hour time frame, it has moved up, right? It looks like we have created some sort of or we're attempting to create some sort of support here, right? So if this 4 hour is going to create a support, well, then where could we expect the next 4 hour candle to go? Right? Most likely retest the high, right? So potentially buys here on GJ if we get some sort of closures that we need after this massive exhaustion / rejection wick to the downside. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is chopping around a bit here, so trying to find its footing after that initial push down. We did close bearish below on the 1 hour time frame, but 15 minute 30 minute doesn't seem to be having those sells right now. So let's see, right? We're attempting to create a new support here, and then you also have a resistance right here. So hey, maybe this is going to be a fake out, right? Maybe this move right here down would be a fake out for price now to continue moving up, right? Being that the daily is bullish here today, although we did break the lows. We broke them from some sort of abnormal freakish move there. So if we remain below this support, sells may be in play. But if we do get ourselves a fake out here, then there's a very high chance that we begin to move up here today. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for pound yen. So nothing just yet on GJ. I think we need some candles to close, but you do have a major support level here. So let's see if we end up closing back in the range or if we stay below it. But that's pretty much what I got going on here for pound yen as well here today. And that's it, man. We'll see if we can form support here and move ourselves back up to go with the higher time frame. So that's going to be my outlook on GJ here today. Sells below 181.817, and then buys are pretty clean now above 182.165 here. So that's the day. That is the day. Yeah, again, the daily's a bit choppy here, so we want to be careful with pound yen. Daily's a bit choppy here, so 1 hour as well. We really need to see some sort of movement outside of the range here. So we've got a wick to fill if we get closures below at NY open. If not, then we'll just sit tight and wait for a price to, you know, print the way we want it to print. So that's it, man. That's it. That's the day. So pretty clean, right? You got a target down here for this wick fill at some point on pound yen. Also, no surprise, is a major level of support there also. And then if we are moving up here, you know, you've got, let's see what this range is here. Yeah, you got about a 33 pip move up, you know, about a 50 pip move all in all. So that's going to be the day here on GJ. So going to, again, just like gold, going to be staying away from this range right here. It's going to be a no trade range here for me today. But anything that is above there, I will look to take positions in. And then anything below, you know, these levels here, you have a pretty clean wick fill. So that's what I'll be looking at here for pound yen. That's it. Yeah, man, that's it. I haven't seen anything really since Asian session last night. Cheers, mates. What'd you learn about yesterday's trade? I would take that trade again today. Yeah, there wasn't really nothing much. I mean, the 4 hour was bullish, but we were kind of rejecting. So that made everything make sense when you had a 1 hour closure, 1 hour resistance, 30-minute resistance, playbook position. To be honest, I'd take that same position again if we got it today. Love your style of trading. Hey, Wally in the building. What up, Wally? Thanks, Nick. Great analysis. Gotcha. Cool, 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 cool. All right, y'all got this? So, happy trading places, sad trading places. Happy trading place, sad trading place. So not touching anything in here, but anything above, anything below looks pretty darn clean to me. Cool. Dope. What up, Toby? Toby's in the house. What's good, bro? Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, everyone, on the live stream here today. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like on your way in here today. Sit back, relax. It's going to be a good day. Get a pen and pad. You may want to take some notes here today. It's going to be a good one, man. We got a lot of exciting things happening here with gold, even with pound yen, right? A lot of juice coming in, man. And you know, we're in Q4 here at the end of the year. We're looking to close off the year really, really strong. And it should be a great day all in all here. So every day is an exciting one when you're in the pit with the TTE family. And we'll see what we got coming out today. Been following you for the past 4 months. Oh, nice. Just want to say F the haters. Oh, yes. Sometimes you can have a losing month. Thank you for the live streams. Awesome. Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah. You know, I was watching my mentor too trading, and I seen he was going over a account build that he did from 50,000 to over 1 million. And guess what, gang? Guess what we're in that P&L? You got it. A couple losses. But you know what? A couple losses back to back to back to back to back. So don't worry about a loss, man. This is trading. You know, you got to learn to be a good loser in trading. You got to learn to be a good loser in trading. It's going to happen. Gonna happen over and over and over and over. It's never going to stop. Losing in trading will never stop. Yeah, I don't think I would have done anything different about yesterday's position. It was a normal playbook, onion play, bearish day, resistance formed on the 1 hour, resistance formed on the 30-minute, moving down. Lovely trade. Yeah, so pound yen moving up here. So we'll see if we create support on pound yen to continue upwards, right? We need that support here on the 4 hour as well. As you can see, you have a move up here. Now what do you need? You need a move down, right? And a support to be formed. So if we get that support, then I think we're moving on up. Next 4 hour candle, man. What up, Green? Good morning, bro. Green's in the house. Always nice to be here. Gotcha. Oh, yeah. Thanks for making trading a lot more fun and interesting. Yeah. It gets interesting here on this live stream. God bless you too, Earl. Thank you, man. Love you too, Earl. Love you too. Love all y'all, man. Love all y'all. Seriously. Some of you guys now have been here for months. Months and months, man. Real riders here. We got some real riders. And you guys get to experience the ups and downs of trading with me. Ain't it great? Ain't it great that there's an actual trader that'll get up here and share with you the journey, share with you each and every trading session, man. I remember when I found Raja, that became my home, man. Like, that was the hub. I knew that if I was going to get this thing done for my family, I was going to need to be able to sit with someone day in and day out to learn this thing, right? And his streams, man, in 2020 just made everything click for me. Love y'all too. Yeah, no homo. You're not that guy. Yeah, man. Outside of me and Don, I think there's like 1 or 2 other streamers, but no one else is being transparent, right? No one else is showing you guys the real deal. They're either promoting a firm, promoting a fund, promoting a broker, blah, blah, blah. Like, man, we just want to trade, bro. We just want to trade. What year is it? What year is it? 2023, right? Yeah, it's 2023. Been here every day since I met. Oh, nice. Let's go. Sergio's in the house. I can live without my girl, but not. Yeah. Oh, nice. She unique. Let's go. Lowered my position size. That could stand small. Awesome. Yeah, if you lower your position size, man, sometimes you're just going to feel better in the trade. You know, you're just going to feel a lot better. You're not going to feel as tense. You're not going to feel as jittery, right? When you got so much money on the line, right? So, or so much risk on the table. So really it is all about feeling out your risk and your appetite for risk and all that good stuff, because you want to be able to sit tight in a trade, right? You don't want to have to manage positions emotionally. And you know, that's not really how trading's done. So yeah, I think that should be a solid improvement moving forward for you. So congrats. These aha moments when they pop up in trading. Hey, what's up, Brad? Brad Kate. Good morning, Cam. How you doing today? Good to see you back. You guys want to look at the Nasdaq real quick? Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's take a look. So let's get rid of all these drawings like we do every day. And let's go and track the nearest and most recent price action here. So weekly time frame, pretty bearish, right? We did close doji bearish here, but overall moving up as of right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bullish yesterday. Pretty strong bullish too, right? Almost very close to that resistance there, but we are pretty bullish based off the daily closure from yesterday. Looks like 4-hour time frame is moving down. I think 4-hour needs some sort of support, right? I mean, this can drive down, never create a support, right? But if it wants to move back up and move with this higher time frame and move up here, then we are 100% gonna need a support at some point on the 4-hour time frame. But very bearish as of right now. I'm assuming the 1-hour is as well. Let's go ahead, identify what these two top wicks look like on the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, you got a resistance level here, right? Pretty strong resistance. And then yeah, price was just chopping around a bit. You haven't gotten a closure yet. So I think if you get a closure below these levels here, then price should be good to drive down. You've got clean traffic to the left if price does want to move down here today. Overall, bullish is a bit choppy on the way up. So I think let's go ahead and take a look at what this high is right here on the daily. Yeah, that'd be breaking the previous daily high. I like that. I like that because this daily candle to me looks, I mean, at any point it could continue moving up and move bullish. But I've just got this intuition, this you know, this, I don't know what to call it, right? But this thing could move down here today. So I think what I'll do for my buys here is, or my sample size buys is, I'll just wait for 15226 here. So that's going to be the break of the previous daily candle high. That's the wick right there that breaks the high, and then you've got very, very clean traffic coming up here. So that's what I'll wait for. Looks like you've got a range 2 here as well. So this was your range 1. Let's go to range 1 here. We'll make range 1 purple. So this was your range 1, and now price has come down. It has created a support. Oh, right, created support, created resistance. Now this would be your range 2, right below this yellow range here. So yeah, I think just be patient and wait for your closures below that support level there, and price should move down. Price should move down pretty nicely here, right? You've got clean traffic here. You've also got some more clean traffic in this range as well. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. I don't want to take sells here. Number 1 is because we haven't closed below the range yet. Number 2, there's also a rejection wick right here that I'm sure, you know, at one point this strong bullish candle was a big red candle all the way down here. So not going to touch anything within this, you know, box right here. But yeah, if you do get closures below, you've got pretty clean move coming down. So that's what I'll be looking at for the Nasdaq here today. So pretty simple. Yeah, nice clean sells below. Yeah, buys are a bit choppy, man. Bit choppy here. So yeah, I'll probably stay away and see what happens. If we get a closure below, we'll sample size this move coming down. I could see, you know, price coming down into these ranges here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. a Mike Warden. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Shiro, find you a wife. Oh, Shiro. Louis G in the house. What up, Louis G? What type of RR are you looking for? 1-to-1. Anything over 1-to-1. Quarter 2, I like to let positions run a bit, especially when I'm pretty ahead of the game for myself for the year. I'm sorry, quarter 4, I really like to let positions run. Like last year, we did really well in quarter 4. You had such a great amount of volume come in. It was kind of unexpected there, but yeah, you had a lot of volume coming in last year, quarter 4. So I'm expecting to see the same thing this year, especially with the things happening around the world as well. So yeah, we'll definitely look to let runners and maybe secure like 1-to-1, 2-to-1s here. Yeah, this might be a rejection to move up on pound yen here. Yeah, this 4-hour support is gonna confirm that for us. So we probably won't touch GJ here until 9 a.m. Show your Nasdaq setup again. Let's see here. Yeah, let me get rid of all this. So basically that's what I'm looking at here for the Nasdaq, right? So you've got a very strong 30-minute and 1-hour resistance support there, right? So if you look left, there's some clues, right? So you see big rejection, right? And then you see pretty big rejection here as well. So you don't really want to enter on this candle, right? Especially if it has not actually closed below the support. You really don't want to execute on that, because this candle right here that you're looking at, this bearish candle, could very well, and I mean very well, be bullish, right, by the end of the 1-hour time frame here, or by the end of the 1-hour closure. So we don't want to take this buy, right? Look at every time we did that, we moved up, we came down, rejected, moved up, came down, rejected, moved up. So we don't want to touch that right there. It's like my kids, right? I tell them, you don't want to touch that. It's like touching the stove, you know? You're going to learn today. I mean, if you're going to touch it, you're going to learn. But, yeah, stay away from here. Stay away. But, sometimes they want to touch, and, you just got to let them, right? I mean, I think I did that as a kid, too. So, just got to feel the burn. Sometimes. What caused the big wick? I'm not too sure on pound yen. Don't even really know what happened. Can't find anything. Wick the kids in the house. What up, Yanosh? What's goody? Hey Nick, I'm new here. Could you explain how to mark up support and resistances on charts? Yeah. Let me go to like a different pair here. So let's go to a random pair like, what is this? Euro JPY. Oh, damn. Yeah, something happened with, I think it was JPY. Yeah, I think something happened with the Japanese yen here. Yeah, I think so. But what pair you guys want me to mark up? Actually, let me not even ask that. Let me just pick a pair. So let's go ahead. Look, this how in layman's terms, in basic instruction, this is how I look to do a top-down analysis. Keep it very simple here. So let's just say this is USD CAD, right? Let's go to the monthly time frame. So what I look to do is I look to find the nearest supports and the nearest resistance in terms of price action at that current moment. I don't care what happened here. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm looking at the nearest price action here. So one thing I see here is a support, right? We've got a support down here. And then where's our nearest resistance? Well, it's going to be right here, right? So that's the range that we're trading in on the monthly. Now, the goal here is to really trap price on every time frame, right? So that way you can trap price in its consolidation ranges, find those clean ranges outside of consolidation, and then look to trade in there. Now, I'm always looking at the daily and the 4 hour, and I'm always looking to anticipate where will the next daily or 4 hour candle go, and that's where I'm defining my bias, right? So again, right now we're just looking for supports and resistance. So notice how we have to move our resistance up a hair. So we got to move our resistance, and then now notice how this monthly support is no longer the weekly support. So we got to go ahead and adjust that. So we've got the weekly support now, and now we've trapped price in the weekly time frame in this range, right? So now we need to go identify what's going on in this range, because this is a 200 pip range, right? So we need to go figure out what's going on. But we do know that the weekly did create a resistance. So as you're marking up your supports and resistances, you want to start to tell the story of what candles are trying to say here, right? So clearly you have a rejection from the top side. Price closed bearish, so we're looking pretty bearish on the weekly. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. So daily, you need to adjust resistance here. You also need to adjust this support. And gang, this is an exercise that I give a lot of people to do. It's very, very simple exercise, and it really trains your eyes into finding the right ranges. So daily time frame is pretty bearish, right? We know that we're down. We're right near a support level here, but could potentially, tap back into that support level. So let's go ahead. We're bearish on the day. Let's see how we can take sells here. So you have price coming down. You have price moving back up, right? If price starts to create a resistance here on the 4 hour time frame, then what you can do is you can expect the next 4 hour to drive down, right? Remember what I just said? The idea here is to find out what the daily and the 4 hour chart is saying, and then anticipate the move of the next candle here. So let's go ahead and adjust that support as well. And now let's break this down on the 1 hour. So notice how we're just adjusting, right? We're adjusting supports and resistance. We're not doing anything too complicated. You've got the range of the 1 hour. Let's go ahead, sharpen this up real quick on the 30 minute as well. And now you've pretty much got your range here, right? So if we are bearish based off of the day and you get some sort of closure below this range, then there's a high chance price will move down, right? Especially if we take this position during times of volume. Now, if the 4 hour closes bearish, even better, right? Because that adds more of a higher time frame confirmation. And now this becomes your no trade range right here. Here. And now you're looking to take positions outside of that range, right? So it's a bit choppy on the way up, not gonna lie here for USD CAD, but we are bearish on the day. So if you get a closure below here during times of volume, where do you think price is going? Right? We're expecting the next candle to move down and continue down. So that's how you find a bias, and that's also how you start to trap support and resistance and start to develop the eye for the ranges, right? And create those clean ranges that you need. So yeah, that's how I do it. Oi. All right, so we've got 22 minutes left for this 30-minute candle here. So we're gonna sit tight. We're gonna wait for the NY open, and that's when volume comes in, and that's where we're gonna look to take advantage of this move. Shiro's working today, boy. Better watch out, son. Get sliced. USD CAD. You look like a football player? Oh, nice, nice. I don't think I ever heard of that dude. Haven't to be honest, I have not kept up with sports. You could ask me to name players that are even in the league. To be honest, I haven't even been paying attention lately. Yeah, Shiro's about to get on salary here, man. Whatever that dude's making full time now, we're about to nuke it. Caught a buy on gold 15. Nice. Nice. Cool. I closed 90%, left 10% still running. Should I hold my buys? Yeah, why not? Why not? 10%, let it run. Let it run, baby. Let it run. Great job. Yeah, we grabbed the pack here too. We also did create a support. So now if we get a closure above NY open, most likely gonna clean this range here. Take a cookie. Oh, I haven't had a cookie in a while. Haven't had cookies in a minute. My next day I get to have a little treat is going to be my brother Joe's birthday. Speaking of brother Joe, is he in the house here today? He should be. Maybe on his way back from the gym. Why is there news at 8:30? Oh, Nick, there is news at 8:30? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we already went over the news. So every day, gang, you'll see me do the same thing, right? Just repetition here. Every single day. We'll go over the news. We'll check out what's going on. So we understand there's news coming in at 8:30 here today. So, yeah, we'll just have to... Nothing we can really do about that until, 8:30. So, yeah. Yeah, we got news ahead of us here. Always marry a wife who can make great cookies. Yeah. Hey, yo, Adrian with the donation. Thank you very much. $5. I really appreciate it. TTE, never give up on your dreams and your freedom. Thank you for the message. W. You didn't have to do that, but I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Shout out to Adrian in the house. W for Adrian here today. Thank you. Hey Nick, if your level's being reached, what time frame candle closure do you get in on? I like to get in on the 30-minute or the 1 hour time frame. It all depends. Sometimes it's the 1 hour, sometimes it'll be the 30. In this case, we do have a 30 closure, but that 30 closure is also going to be the 1 hour closure, right? So, yeah, it all depends really what time frame I'm looking at the move on. Now, this looks pretty clean on both the 1 hour and the 30-minute, so this will probably be executed off the 30-minute if we do. But it really all depends where the clean traffic is, what time frame the trade is being prepared on and planned on, and then, yeah, that's going to be the time frame I take it on. But typically, you'll see us take positions off the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I think the 30-minute time frame is the best time frame for scalping because it's not too much noise, right? But it's a good confirmation, and you usually will tend to see a nice, healthy move from it too. 30-minute, 1 hour time frames. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's crazy, Tony. Yes, my friends. That is, that's a big problem. That could be a big problem. I'm on my way to hack TT donation account. I don't even know how to get the bread out of YouTube, man. To be honest. I got to go through that. No, please. We don't need any donations. I don't need any donations, gang. If anything, give it to like a homeless person. Yeah, go give it to like a local homeless person in your neighborhood. They're going to need it more than me. Yeah, if you guys want to donate to the stream, save the donation and just carry it around in your pocket, and when you see somebody in need, just hook them up. Hook them up. Be like, hey, thanks for the live streams. They'll be like, what? All I want is likes. That's all I want. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Donations, save them for your local homeless. Hey, yo, Johnny Boy. John Stewart's in the chat. Is Sam? I think I've seen Sam in the chat too. Sam Capital. Did I see Sam? Think so. Oh, there he is. Are you on Zoom yet, Sam? Get Sam up here. Let me check Zoom here. Oh, he's here. He's here. Hold on one sec. Bright and early. Hey, could you guys hear Sam and John well yesterday? Or were they a little bit low? I'm gonna make their volume a little bit higher. I feel like they were a little low. Shout out to everyone in Zoom here today. I see y'all. Hope you guys are doing good. Let's get me co-host to the me co-host number one to the live stream. What up, Sam? There he is.
Yo. What's
hey,
going on, brother?
yo, broadcasting live from Aspen, Colorado.
Yes, sir. A little chilly up here.
Hey, yo, it was a little chilly here, bro. I was freezing this morning.
For real? Dude, what is it today? It just feels like yesterday.
Bro, I went out. It was like 50 degrees. I was
It's
like,
47. Dang, it's 50 there, bro. It's like 50 here.
That was like 2 hours ago, so it might
Oh,
have
yeah,
warmed
yeah,
up
yeah.
a bit now. Let's take a look.
Yo, who said that in the chat, bro? I was reading that. If that's true, that's great. Always rise. If that's true, that's great.
What's that?
There is apparently someone that streams named Sammy Capital.
Oh,
And it ain't me,
Sammy
bro.
Capital.
Apparently it ain't me. I don't trade that.
The real
I
Sam
see.
Capital is modded. He's got the wrench.
This is the real Sam Capital, bro. Been doing this.
Been doing it. Oh, how you feeling today, Sam? What was the yen excitement
I
about
was just
here?
looking, and I can't see anything.
Nah?
So I'm not too sure.
Yeah, I couldn't find anything there, but I only looked on Forex Factory.
Well, on Forex Factory, I don't see anything.
Why don't you cut partials when trade not going your way? We do, or I do. That's what we did yesterday. Yeah, I didn't see anything there. Bank of Japan, maybe.
What, right at 6 a.m.? Yeah, that's so odd. Off of 1 minute candle.
Yeah, it was quick. It was really quick. And then boom, right back up here.
Interesting. Yeah, GJ did a move like that on the 3rd of this month. And then it was like 30 minutes later the news came out. And it was about possibly what do you call it? What do they call it? Currency. When they buy yen against the
right
dollar.
here.
A currency intervention.
Oh damn, yeah, right here too, right?
Yeah.
Holy.
Because it's just like GJ is just up there, bro.
Yeah.
Well, mostly it's like they do the interventions based off of where USD JPY is at, because it's the dollar to the yen. So it's like when we come up to those 150s, like if you look at USD JPY, it did the same exact move basically.
Yeah,
except this time just a little lower.
We randomly clicked on that pair, just randomly, and I seen it. Same exact thing.
Yeah, yeah. So it's like,
yeah.
But the thing is, it's only short-term yen strength. Like eventually it'll fade out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was basically the yen. Every pair that was associated with the yen probably had that dip down, but like you said, like not sustainable at all. And a lot excuse me, a lot of people got tapped in here too for sells, right? So that's where there's more liquidity right there. After people get really excited, they're very jittery. And what are they doing? They're waiting for this candle to close, and then they're immediately entering. And then boom, you know, get tapped in and price moves up now. So yeah. We'll see, because we are pretty bullish here on the day. So if we do get a support here on pound yen, that's what I'm looking for. If we can get that support, then I think buys are going to be pretty clean later on in the session. You got your move up. Now you need a nice retracement coming down, create that support, and then I believe price should move back up here.
oh wow, some of you guys are posting in the chat. Conda says intervention is one. Yeah. Okay, we know. Bank of Japan inflation expectation to be revised. Interesting.
What do you guys like better? You guys like yellow lines, or you guys like, or the white ones or the yellow? I used to use the yellow all the time. Kind of makes it look a little differentiated. What you guys like better? W or Y?
I like the white.
The white. Hey, yo, where's Andreas been?
Cause I know, right? Yo, I be
white.
thinking about him, bro. Yeah, but I was gonna say the white, cause it's like I feel like once you like get into a trade or whatever, and you have your levels marked, like partials, etc., then that yellow one, like being in there with that.
Yeah, that's true. You're
You know
right.
what I mean? It might like throw it off.
Get it all sloppy.
Not throw it off, but yeah, look up. Like, yeah.
Toby, I knew that joke was coming. Once I said it, I knew it. Where are the Quakers at today? They're still eating breakfast. They're having some Quaker oats for breakfast, and they'll probably be here around, I'm sure they'll pop in around 8:30, and then they'll probably pop back in around 9:30. In between losing their trades.
Yeah, this is the life of a Quaker day.
A day in the life of a Quaker.
They wake up
I gotta see that vlog.
and then they pull out the phone That's it. And they sit here.
No breath work, no meditation, no stretching, no push-ups, just lazy bums. Lazy chat. When you guys see Quakers now, just think of them like Sam just did. Like they wake up, they sit back, and they just start scrolling. They just start scrolling, drinking some Quakerade, and eating some Quaker Oaks.
Just slamming. Like, comment, like, share. Then when they see something that their brain doesn't agree with, angry.
That's too funny.
Life of the Quaker.
Yeah, see the Quakers, they can't phase me because, like, remember, gang, I was in network marketing for 8 years, right? You can't get much more denial than that. Like, much more, pushback than that. So it's, yeah. They got rookie. Those are rookie Quakers.
That is true. Yeah, you probably get people like, yo, leave me alone, bro, or I'm gonna F you up.
Battle tested, man. Trust me. You know how many no's I've gotten in my life? No. Gotta read the book. How many of you guys are in sales? You gotta read the book Go for No. Check that book out. All my sales guys and gals, Go for No. It's a really good book, really quick read, and it will drastically open your mind.
I've really been wanting to learn more about sales and that. Honestly.
Yeah.
I have to check it out. Yeah, I just feel like it's no matter what you do, whether it's just I don't know. I just feel like it helps improve your relationships, helps you communicate.
Oh yeah.
A little better. You know what I mean? I mean, you definitely know what I mean.
Yeah.
I just don't know how to explain it.
Yep. Rafi. Sales will get you a massive. Yeah, they will. That's true. Pound yen moving up here. Very nice. 4 hour looking good. Gold messing around here. Gold.
Rosetta Fowler in the building. Bring out all the Fowlers.
Bring out the whole Fowler family. Let's go.
Yeah. Yes,
Good
sir.
morning. God bless you.
Hey, God bless you.
Good morning. Good morning. What up, Dominic? Oh, Lucas. Hey, bro. I'm sort of new here. Oh, nice. Welcome, my man. Came through Calvin. Shout out to Calvin. I've been loving the live streams. How chill you are with handling emotions. Would love to see how you mark your zones. Yeah. So I was kind of breaking that down a little earlier, how we really mark the zones. But if you go back and watch the beginning of the stream, you'll see how we came up with this whole plan here. It's only about 10 minutes long, so if you go back to that part, it's right in the beginning of the stream. You'll see the top-down analysis, and if you have any questions after that, I'm more than happy to answer them in the chat. Next candle. But welcome, Lucas. Welcome, my man. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask, brother.
Yo, Riki. $3,000 count, one entry. I risk 30%. Is that good, sir? With 9 goat emojis. Hey, if that's what you're comfortable risking, that's you, brother. I wouldn't personally, but because now you only got. Well, I mean, you blow like half the count if you lose one trade. Sure. Casino.
That's still funny. I'm also new too from Calvin. Oh, nice. Shout out to Calvin, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the podcast with Calvin. That was a good one. Look forward to. I'll probably be in Miami in a couple months. Maybe we'll run one back. Do I have a Discord? Yeah, we have a Discord. Yeah. Just type !Discord in the chat, and you'll see the link right there, my friend. But welcome. Everyone new here. If you guys can sub to the channel. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and tune in with us, man. We want to help you guys as traders. We want to help you in your trading, in your psychology, in your mentality, right? How to handle emotions. There's a lot that come into trading, man. There's a lot that goes into this, and it's tough out there on your own. So, it's a free live stream we do every single morning, and we're just here to help. We're just here to help. You're just gonna see a random day trader trading. I'm not your internet guru. I'm not your anything, right? I'm just another random guy. Got pretty good results. Been doing this for quite some time and have some success with it, and just looking to create more success. So I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. But yeah, we're here every day, Monday through Friday. Yeah, it's our free Discord here, so you guys are more than welcome to join. Come on in, make yourself at home. Yeah, creeping on 6,000 members here on the Discord.
Look at all those dabs.
I know, dabbing away. Let's go. The team is dabbing.
Oh, and then I
into
see a couple
Tuesday.
cats too.
Couple kitties. So you're not that guy? Yeah, I'm not that guy, gang. I'm not that guy.
Yeah, he's not that guy, but he's him.
Gonna grab some lunch. Oh, different time frame than me.
Yo, get something good for me, bro.
What you eating
Yo,
today,
shout out
Sergio?
TTE. Shout out, shh.
TK's in the future. TK. Grab us some Quaker Oats. Yeah, there you go. Grab me and Sam some Quaker Oats here today.
Yeah,
so we can
please.
quake a little bit on y'all, maybe.
Yeah. What did you guys do if we reversed the roles once?
Oh my God, you took a loss.
Yeah. One of
You
you
followed
stream.
your
Let
plan.
us get in the chat, bro. Let
You
us
followed
get in
your
the chat,
plan
bro.
to the T and took a loss. What a loser.
I want to spam. Sir.
Man.
Sir, gold. Check it. It moves like 5 pips. It's flying.
Yeah, I love when it's like, hey, we got to wait for a 30-minute closure. Yo, go. Bro,
Yeah.
17 minutes left on the 30-minute candle.
Nick's like 3 minutes into like the most like motivational speech. Like you'll hear like all week. Dude, see like gold like push up a couple pips. Oh, whoa, bro, you're missing the move.
Oh man. Yeah, that's too funny.
I'm trolling.
We're in the middle of some life-changing wording, and
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
4 pips up on gold. Go.
Dopamine
That's that,
receptors start firing off.
That's that shiny object syndrome that y'all got to get rid of.
Yeah. That's so funny you say that. I was thinking of like whenever the slot machine at the casino's going off when you win. Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it seems like sometimes. The mods be having to shut y'all down, man. Be like GJ, 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 GJ. I look over at the chat, it's just like mod destroyed, destroyed. The Quaker candle, you should be closing in about 20 minutes. I was in another stream where only the 5-minute chart's up, no talking. People there had like zero patience. Yeah, 5 minutes a bit noisy for me, gang. Just a bit too noisy. I personally think the 30-minute is the best time frame for like the way we trade. Yeah, we were looking at me and the Signals channel were looking at these gold cells last night. And man, were they beautiful. But this one right here. But we were waiting on a top wick and drove down. Yep, $20,000 move right there, gang. 20K move.
Oh wow.
Nothing.
That ended up playing out, bro. I remember last I looked at it and it was like making that top wick.
Yeah. 1 hour celery, nicely done here too. What is an onion? An onion is just support or resistance. That's it. We just call it an onion for some random strange reason. Oh, and gold, you said you were waiting for closure on the 30-minute? Yes. Yeah, we need to see gold. Well, we got news coming in here, so we're most likely going to sit tight here for the news. But yeah, we do need to see some sort of closures outside of this range here. This is going to be a pretty much a no trade range here for me today. So anything going on in this range here for me is going to be no trade. So no trade range. And as I was telling the group earlier, anything above there is pretty clean. So I'll look to take my buys up in this clean range up here, and then I'll look to take my sells below here. Yeah, but within this red zone, not going to touch anything. Nothing. Nothing in the red zone. Nothing in the red zone, Sam.
Yeah, I genuinely think like you get to a point in your trading where you just look at charts and you're just like, do I really want to waste my money here?
Yep.
Like,
yeah, that's so true. You know, once you start getting the hang of this thing, you know now. Because if you never get any profits out of the market, man, you don't know. Like, you just whatever, right? But once you start paying bills and, you know, paying your whatever, rent, mortgage, car payments, you start to realize how real this freaking is, right? And what you begin to do is you begin to become very selective, right? Because you know if you wait for a nice position, that move can potentially pay your monthly bills for some of us, right? Let's not even say that, right? Though, let's just say you make an extra $100 on each move, right? That's an extra. Let's say you catch 4 or 5 moves a week. That's an extra $400 or $500 a week. I mean, it's not a ridiculous amount of money, but it's $400 or $500, right? So what can you do with that? So once you start realizing how real this is, and you start buying things with it and paying for stuff with your profits, then you'll understand, hey, let me not trade in that red zone there, right? There's really nothing there. If I wait, I'll get a better opportunity, and with that better opportunity, I could make some money here, right? So yeah, once it starts getting real, and that's why I encourage everyone, like, trade on a live account in the beginning, and then once you get the skill, if you want to get funded, whatever, but have some real stake in the game.
yeah.
You know.
Think and like don't be in a rush to make the money either, because it's like, like Nick said, like get your stake in the game. If you have a, even like a $500 account, but you're risking like $50 a trade, like how many trades is that gonna get you to that you're gonna be able to learn from? Only 10 if you lose every single one. So don't focus on the money, focus on taking the best trades possible.
Yeah.
Following your plan and everything.
Yeah,
Number one, the money's just a byproduct.
Yep.
It'll come.
Yeah, man. You follow the plan, you'll be okay. You'll be a-okay. Right. I was watching Raja's account build from like 50K to over 1 million, and there were losing streaks in there. I seen like 5 or 6 losses in a row, right? But that really doesn't determine where you're going long term. Again, like trading, you either put a trade on, you win it, or you lose it, right? So don't act like losing's not a part of this thing, right? Like you're not gonna win every trade you take. Let's just face it. And I got good news for some of y'all. You ain't gonna lose every trade you take, because some of you guys like, yo, I'm just losing every single trade I take. You're not gonna lose every single trade you take, right? You just gotta find a good system, a good edge, and develop it, right? Develop it through constant repetition. And when I say constant repetition, I mean consistently showing up to the charts day in and day out. I see some questions in here. How could I learn price action? You gotta be here every day, right? You gotta watch price, right? If you want to learn price action, you've got to watch price action. How can you watch price action if you're not on the charts, right? So you've got to figure out some sort of time where you can dedicate, whether it be the New York session, whether it be the Asian session, the London session, whatever works best for your life, and then start getting consistent with it. And through that consistency is where you're gonna develop that eye for price action. You're gonna develop the skill set when it comes to tracking price here. So yeah, that's what I would recommend.
Yeah, that's so true. I mean, that is the best way to learn, putting the work in every single day.
Yeah.
And then that just builds the confidence, like
builds confidence. When you do something
right.
on your own, that's where your confidence builds.
Like, you think Nick just took a couple courses and hopped on the stream, started streaming,
like gang, I've been profitable for 2 years before we ever started a live stream. So you gotta really take that time, dedicate that time. I was on the charts. I've been on the charts every day since 2019. So every single day, especially for the last 3 years. I think 2019 was 4 years ago. So first year was really spent, whatever, but the last 3 years I've been super dedicated and literally on the charts every single day.
But yeah, I mean, that just goes for everything though too. Like, think about all the best basketball players in the world, football players, whatever. You think they just watched a couple of tutorials on YouTube on how to do a certain move, and they were just good at it? No, they ran that practice, they ran that drill plenty of times.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's the same thing with the charts. You gotta practice identifying the playbook setups, practice executing on the playbook setups. There's so many things you do in trading. You just practice to take it dealing with a loss.
Yep. Yeah, and that's gonna happen. Those
yeah.
losses, while you're practicing, you're gonna lose. You're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna mess up. The problem is you think that's bad, right? The problem is most people think mistakes are bad, that they messed up, but that's really not the case, man. Only average losers think that making mistakes are bad, right? We're taught in school, right, by the average society that don't make a mistake, right? If you make a mistake, you've done something wrong. You're not smart, right? But successful people know that that's not the case, right? So be cool with making mistakes, right? My mentor would always tell me, Nick, go out there and fail forward, my friend. The quicker you fail, the quicker you'll succeed. So don't be afraid of failure. Good morning, Johnny Boy.
X. Morning, boys.
Whoa.
What's up,
Scale got me
brother?
hype right now.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
gotta get here, get on the action, bro.
For
Yeah,
real.
but I like you were saying, bro, like we're not even 4.0 students technically. Like the win rate's 80 something percent. That's a B. But look
Yeah.
at it. Killing it.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Exactly.
You can't be a perfectionist in the market.
Nope.
Anyone that tells you they are, run. Far.
Run. Don't.
Strive for perfection, but aim on excellence, right?
Right.
Yeah, what's your take on smart Raja concepts? Oh, you'll see them implemented here on this live stream. Yeah.
And adding what you guys are talking about, like you can't succeed without failure. Like the problems you have in life and all the trial and error you go through is what builds you into that success, right? So you need failures to be successful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yep. And then through that failure, you learn things, and then that's where confidence comes, and that's where experience comes, right? And once you've got that experience now you've got momentum on your side, right? Because if you could just now learn from the experience and not make the same mistakes, then you're getting somewhere now, right? Patience is growing. Awesome. And look, this game is not for everyone. I'll tell you guys straight up, right? This entrepreneurship in general, but trading is a whole nother level of entrepreneurship, and it's not for everyone, man. You know what I mean? And you'll see people come and go, right? And at the end of the day, it's just not for everyone. And maybe everyone wants to do it, they'd like to be successful in it, but they just can't hang. They just can't emotionally battle through it, because if you take some losses and you're not profitable, and it could be a whole long trial and error game, and most people just aren't willing to do it. But you, my friends, you guys are sticking with it, right? Because you're future millionaires.
Shout out to everybody that's here. You're in a perfect place, right? Like I know you feel like there's other places that you want to be in life. I promise you'll get there. But this is right now the work and learning.
Yep.
It's gonna build you into that person, right?
Yeah.
It's not like GTA. You can't just or like 2K where you just create your character. Like, come on, bro.
You can't just hit the R1, L1, left down, right up, whatever it was.
Because then everybody would do it. And then if everybody was great in that way, then is it even great anymore?
Yeah.
It's now the average.
Yeah, exactly. You'll see a lot of people come and go. You'll hear a lot of names come up. You'll hear a lot of names go down. And, at the end of the day, I mean, these are good people, right? Trading just not a good fit for them, right? So they're good people, but man, it takes a lot of emotional stability to really be a day trader and an entrepreneur at that, and to run businesses and to trade and to risk money for your career. It takes a lot of guts, man. Right? Risk money for freedom. That's what I've always done.
Sure.
Yeah, money's a tool.
Whatever happened to Raja? Oh, he's doing better than ever. Over risking is the only issue, period. Yeah, I had that issue too. My big issue with over risking is I would take 2 positions every trade for some random reason. All right, so we've got a poke up here, right? So we did close above on the 15. 30 still open. We have news coming in here in about 12 minutes. So I wouldn't be surprised if price did move up here. Obviously you guys know I'm not gonna take any positions until the news comes out. But yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if gold went ahead and moved up here. Yeah, you gotta learn the hard way sometimes. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Soon to be free. Let's get it, Billy. Let's get to it, man. I have to eliminate emotion. I wouldn't say you have to eliminate emotion totally, right? I mean, human beings were, in a way, some sort of attachment to emotion, right? But try and use it to help you, if anything. Not everyone's the doorknob, man. Yeah, man. Some people look at the doorknob and they say, I'm not doing this trading thing no more. Find a better way, sport. Yeah.
Could booze destroy
There goes your
emotions
push.
during a trade? You're trolling, bro. It's
There
like the
goes
first
your
thing they tell you is that alcohol affects your judgment system.
Booze.
Yeah, like, come on, bro. I hope you're trolling.
Hey, I knew a
Gotta
guy.
tighten up.
This dude couldn't operate without booze. He was just full-blown alcoholic. Like, you drive in the car with that dude when he's sober, it's like, dude, you need to grab a beer ASAP, bro, because I'm not driving in the car with you sober. Because that dude was a straight-up alcoholic, bro. Like, he'd be shaking without, like I remember I had this random job one time. I was working for a sewer company, I don't even know, like some sort of company. But yeah, man, this dude, we were heading out in the morning and my guy was cracking a 6-pack on the way to the job, bro. 30-minute ride out. Dude had a 6-pack for breakfast in his lunchbox. Nothing else. I'm like, oh, damn.
He's drinking that dark beer, bro, for the calories.
My guy started drinking.
You got in the car with him?
Yeah, bro. All of a sudden, his driving starts smoothing out, man. I'm like, oh, damn. This dude needs
I'll be
alcohol.
like, yo, one sec, bro. Would have called the cab.
Started calming his nerves, bro.
That was a wild job, man. Yeah, we were doing the drainage in Rikers Island, bro. Rikers Island.
That's probably crazy.
Drink and drive. All right,
Yeah, dude,
let's
those
see.
people are crazy, bro.
Yeah,
The functioning alcoholics. What's that like?
functioning. Yeah. Yeah, the reason I didn't take that trade, 8:15. We got news coming in here in just a few minutes. That was gonna be your 8:20 push. Absolutely predictable, but I'm gonna wait for the news here. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
What do I think about the news? We got a lot of red folders here. A lot of Canadian news. But I'm more or less focused on the US dollar retail sales. So they're expecting it to be down. Last report, when was it? September 14th. Came out 0.6%. They're expecting it to come out 0.2 and 0.3 today. So if we see the retail sales go down for the United States, right? What they're selling in the stores, what people, you know, the average person is going out and buying. If those numbers are down, it would be bad for the US dollar, right? So maybe we'll see gold get a push up here at 8:30 with that news if it comes in red numbers like they're expecting.
You'll see if it breaks those daily highs after news, because I mean we are bullish on the weekly.
Yeah,
I could see that.
I mean it's all clean if you get a closure above here, but
Yeah.
that news in the way.
Yeah, no. Damn, has anyone ever tried Red Bull and espresso shots in the morning? Damn, no. Baby Mike, that's crazy.
Someone was trying to tell me yesterday that they did a study and it says Red Bull increases your lifespan. I was like, there's no way, bro.
What, bro? Are you serious?
Yeah, I was like, you gotta show me the study, bro, and I still won't believe it.
That's nuts.
Yeah, bro.
Everyone's gonna be drinking Red Bull now. Nah, if there's any energy drink, I'd say Red Bull gets me energized. The other ones will give me heartburn. Like when I drink Celsius, like I get heartburn. Straight up.
Marlin, yo, that's crazy, bro. Smoked for for many years. As soon as you quit, wrecked 7 cars. Sheesh.
That is nuts.
That's crazy, bro. You gotta tighten up.
Y'all got to get some excess, man.
Red Bull's excess is fire too.
The best. No sugar, no carbs, loaded up with vitamin B12, man. It don't get better than this. Don't get better.
Yo, that's crazy.
Ginseng,
The
echinacea.
taurine increases the lifespan of the mice.
Get some
So,
verb.
like, dude, it's probably because they're like cracked out, bro. Like eyeballs are like this. Of course, they ain't falling asleep. Don't drink Prime. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I had it one time. It's like that thick water, bro.
Ew.
What happened to range 2? I don't see it as often as before. Yeah, so sometimes we put range 2, sometimes we'll put like fake out. So if you ever see like fake out, that also means range 2. Yeah. A gym teacher fit.
Imagine Nick being a gym teacher. That's what you would wear.
Yeah, probably not.
I'm like trying to think of things like I would imagine you doing as a gym teacher. I just can't, bro.
I'll probably have a lot of fun.
Yeah,
as a
you
gym
probably would be
teacher.
like turning up dodgeball every day. Just so you can peg homies.
You'd be like playing too. Facts.
Yeah, no, I would be. I would have been a gym teacher, but the salary
Yeah.
just didn't cut it.
Like, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like, I feel like I don't know. I get to work with kids. I don't know, help be in shape.
It's definitely better than some other jobs, that's for sure.
Yeah, bro, you think I'm trying to be a math teacher? Everyone that walks in there hates me.
Right?
Gym class, they're like, yeah.
They're like, Coach Joe. Like hype.
Yeah, everyone likes to go to gym.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you're sitting in class for 8 hours straight. Of course, you're excited.
Yeah, shout out to everyone who's working jobs doing this. Salute y'all too, man.
Facts.
Yeah, and the biggest thing is that you guys are building an exit strategy, right? So although you're not making money right now and every single day, and maybe it's not paying for the bills yet, you are learning the skill set, right? And that skill set's going to prepare you for your exit out of your 9-to-5 job. And maybe you don't want to leave your 9-to-5 job yet, right? So you're just going to trade for the next decade and have a whole boatload of money put away on the side for your children or for your retirement or whatever it is, right? So if you're working and trading, W, man, it's nothing wrong with doing that.
Yeah, no, nothing wrong with that at all.
Nothing wrong at all. Hey, Nick, I want to apologize for yesterday because I was hating on you. Oh, I was very bad. It was very bad behavior. You're giving away free knowledge, so we should be thankful, even if we lose. Sorry again. Oh, man, that's awesome. Love you.
Yo,
Love you. Love
that's
you.
the first person that's ever came and said.
Yeah. That's the first one that man
Yeah.
or womaned up ever.
Yeah.
Big man, big man.
Appreciate that. Trust me, I don't take it the wrong way. I don't take it personal. It's A-okay, but I do appreciate your message there. Trade the 1 minute? Yeah, before news? What do you say? What do you say? Here comes the news in 3, 2, 1. Blast off. There it goes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Blast off for pound yen as well. 30-minute closed above, creating resistance. Yeah, this thing should drive down. 4 hour on pound yen now is moving bearish. Back to the bears. And gold, yeah, gold should start moving down from here too, I believe. Right? Daily candle has a top wick at this point. Should be good to start driving here. Really strong rejection at the 4 hour, which is nice. Nice rejection. News are coming out here. Yeah, everything looks pretty clean. Yeah, unfortunately, we had news here in the way.
No top wick. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, no top wick here. Turned into a new leaf. Quit my job like a goofy. Oh, and been losing a lot. Oh, yeah. You don't, yeah, you want to be prepared before you quit your job. I remembered his name too. Oh, Green. Green was on the lookout. At work right now fixing cars. Let's go. Fixing cars and potentially catching pips. So how did the numbers come out, Sam?
Let me
Let's take a
look.
look.
I didn't even. They came out green.
Green, green, green.
0.6. So you got a 0.4% increase off of what they're expecting. For the core.
CAD all came about right around the same outside of the foreign securities. That was way off. TK's in the house. What up,
Yeah, let's see
TK?
what the CAD.
Hey,
Oh, CAD inflation down. Let's see. So USD catching going down. Or
John, was it not freezing this morning?
Yeah.
You went
right.
outside?
Yeah, I was like, it's freezing. I look on my phone, it's in the 50s.
This dude.
I'm like, wait, I thought I was in Florida.
In the 50s. Luckily, it's going up to 80 today, so we should be good.
Yeah, I love it the way it is here. It's like the morning and nights are like cool, and then it gets very hot in the day and warm.
Yes, sir. Oh, consolidation, barcode strategy playing off here on pound yen today. Time for the next espresso. GJ, if you get a close here on pound yen, not too bad, man. Yeah, everything is closing up, right? So 4 hours closing, 1 hour's closing, 30's closing, 15's closing. Everything's closing here in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna have a good read on where this next 4 hour candle wants to go, right? If we close bearish, very, very, very high chance we come down and fill this wick here. If we close below, if we close bullish, then most likely gonna move up. So let's see what happens. We need to break out of this range here in 20 minutes. Sandman, what up, Sandman? In the house, as always.
Man, what's good, brother?
Sandman, where do you live? Are you in the U.S. or where are you at? Could we take gold trade on the minute close? Yeah. Of course.
Do whatever you like.
Oops. What is your strategy, brother? Oh, y'all know the strategy.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We do a little trolling for the strategy.
Where is it? The strategy.
Oh, on the 15 close. Yeah, you could do whatever you like. Yep. Yeah, I don't like to trade 845 because that's typically a pullback for the 4 hour. But if it is going to be a pullback, then it may sit right here on sells here today, right? Because if the 4 hour is going to pull back, it's going to want to pull back bearish. So in this case today, off the 15, there may be possible move for you. Yeah, I forgot about these actually. Oh. Zero strategy. Oh, you want me to bring that one out? Oh, I gotta find that one. Strategy.
Brother starving. Y'all starving for them sounds.
I don't even know where that one's at anymore. I gotta find it.
Which one you looking for?
The strategy one. There is no strategy. We don't have a strategy. It's straight brick out here. Oh, wait, where are you from again? I think I missed it. Talking like that, maybe New York. Wan man.
Oh, not Connecticut.
Oh,
Hey, that's what's
Connecticut.
up.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Shout out to Connecticut. CT in the building.
I'm sure it's brick over there. Sam, how's it in
Oh, yeah.
PA?
It's like 47. It's not too bad. Compared to like the last couple of days, that's very average.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, yeah. Slowly creeping up in temperature here. Very nice. See, that's why y'all gotta move to Florida, man. I mean, just look at the
I'm about to send her.
Just look at the weather here today and over the next couple days. I don't know if y'all can see that, but just sun shining, baby. 75, 78, 80. Can't beat that.
Look at my screen compared to yours, bro.
Oh my.
You see it?
All I see is clouds.
Yeah, exactly. Dark clouds.
Yeah, damn.
There's just a dark cloud hanging over the
Why
entire
doesn't it
weather.
show, bro? It's like, yo, it's putting the log cabin into the screen, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there, boys.
I used
see
to live
nothing.
in Greenwich. Oh.
Put it on my chest. Bro. Y'all see it now or no?
Oh, it's gone. Yeah, that boy
It's gonna be
David.
gorgeous today, man.
That boy David Rich, man, say he used to live in Greenwich. People are probably reading that like Greenwich. Greenwich. Oh, nice. Born in Brazil, but live in Connecticut. Dope. Play soccer. Oh, nice. Probably gonna put my daughter in soccer. Gymnastics first, and then probably some soccer.
Oh, bro, I'll be pulling up to those games.
Oh, was that mine? Oh, pound yen. We're ready to go on pound yen. You see that, gang? I'm all ready. I'm ready to roll. We're just waiting for price now. I'm ready, but is price ready? And will price give me the opportunity here? David Rich, word green. That's what I was thinking. TK's moving to Florida here. He's moving to Florida.
Okay, when you moving?
Come on, winters are overrated, bro. Don't you want to be on
Got a
that lake
box in the backyard for me, bro.
all year? Sam's coming to Florida too.
Got a doghouse for me in the backyard, bro.
Internet's quaking. Staten Island. Oh, yeah, you all should move to Florida, man. We'll buy some land out here. I'm either gonna put the TTE compound in Florida, or maybe even Tennessee. We get a big old bunch of property in Tennessee, and purchase it with a lake, and yeah, have some fun.
Yeah, find like a nice like small town, Tennessee, dude. Like buy like the little town, bro.
Buy the
Imagine
whole
like,
town.
and then like the whole community moves there. We just take over.
The neighborhood.
Yeah,
Nah, I was thinking about Tennessee too, other than Florida to move to.
Tennessee.
I love Tennessee when I went, bro.
I've never been. Moved to Florida, get eaten by gators. We do a little gators.
Alexandria, that's my goal in 10 years, move to Dubai.
Oh yeah, I ain't living in some little town like that. Come on, bro. We could take it over, bro. We could like
Buy the
we
town.
like move in like 500 people in the community. Like if 500 people could like move there, we could like rig the elections. We could like start voting for like just
Cheryl's
start
gonna be the
taking the
mayor.
taxes down for the town. Yeah, start taking the taxes
Nice.
down. We could start doing
Elect Shiro for governor.
FBI. I'm joking. FBI. I'm joking. There's definitely at least 3 agents watching.
Couple agents.
1,300 people here. There's got to be 1 agent. TE buys a whole floor on the Armani Hotel. I don't even know what that is, bro. Sounds crazy though.
Armani, huh? All right. Last 15 coming up hot here. Oh, gold pulling back up here. Patience.
Name of the game.
Puerto Rico's tax free. Yeah, that's where all the billionaires also get murked. So I'll pass. Nah, I'm sure it's not bad.
Move to Puerto
Just
Rico, they
trolling.
said.
Yeah, and then that's the last thing they said.
Yeah, buy the stock exchange.
Make it my personal casino. You're funny, bro.
Waiting, waiting, waiting.
You guys have anywhere you guys want to move to or anything in the future?
I've always liked Arizona.
Right.
Just 'cause I feel like I'd like that like desert vibe, bro. Just like hot, flat roads to just put the pedal to the floor on. Yeah. And it's on the west.
So that
That's like West Coast, but not like California.
Yeah, that's true. Arizona's fire.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah,
like
it's hella
it's like a dry hot, not like a humid.
yeah. They'd be in like the 110s over there.
Yeah. Desert Storm, Sam. Yeah, that's crazy. And my dad was in Operation Desert Storm.
Oh,
Dude, he said when he was over there in Saudi Arabia, it's the weather and the heat. Like the best way to describe it with how humid it is like you could chew the air. I was like, that's crazy, bro.
You could chew it.
nuts.
Chew the air, bro. That'd be crazy.
Good to hear that, Paul. Glad to hear that, man. Arizona iced teas. Oh man, I remember those back in the day. Actually, my wife grabbed one of those the other day for like the first time I seen that in like years. They tasted a lot better when I was 15, 16 years old than they do now. I don't know. Something might have changed.
I agree, bro. It's like
Very sugary
taste,
now.
they
I feel
taste like tinny.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like it's like corroding in the can, bro. I have no idea, bro.
I haven't had one in a minute, man, but that was the bev. Any
Oh,
pizza
man.
spot I hit up, that was the bev I was getting. 99-cent Arizona.
For real.
True. But like the green tea one, or which one you get?
I would probably get the watermelon. I like the watermelon and grape, or the OG one.
Yeah, I like the original. Sometimes I would get the peach one. It'd be alright. Original was probably the best.
Peach tea is fire, bro.
Oh yeah, Arizona. Yeah, if you're from New York, you have 100% had an Arizona iced tea with a bacon, egg, and cheese, or a bobo, or sobo, or something like that.
Are you not? Are you a New Yorker if you don't do that? Like,
New York or
Or
New
some-
Jersey.
Yeah.
New Jersey. New Jersey. Green.
John Farolito. Is that the CEO or something?
John Farolito, big dubs to John Farolito.
That's
Bro,
funny though.
the college up at U Albany was the greatest. These dudes had 24/7 bacon, egg, and cheese spot. So, bro, 3, 4 in the morning, after like your college party or whatever, you go over there and you get, bro, one time I got a ham, bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese. And a nice
Holy.
Arizona iced tea at 4 in the morning.
Man, definitely slapped, bro.
Slapped.
Yeah, hero of the day. There's a cheesecake. Nick, how far is the cheesecake by you?
Yeah, we do a little cheesecake. I was at Cheesecake Factory not too long ago. Maybe like 2 weeks ago, week and a half.
Yeah, how far? What is it, like half an hour from here?
Yeah, it's like yeah, like about a half hour. Yeah, it's in the mall. Like it's a
Bro, what
part,
do you get?
kind of a part of the mall. I usually get
I'm
these,
sure you don't remember the exact name. I have no idea.
Everywhere I go, I tend to get steak. At this point.
You ain't get cheesecake?
Nah, I didn't get any cheesecake. Well, sometimes me and my wife get the red velvet cheesecake. That one is pretty good, but yeah, I haven't been eating any cheesecake.
Sam, I'll get the cheesecake.
Yeah, I get the cheesecake, bro.
I'll
Triple
be
chocolate
getting the
with
birthday
the yeah, that one's fire too, bro. They got like that triple chocolate one, dude, with like chocolate chips on the top.
I know. Hell yeah, I know that one. That one's fire too.
Birthday cake's
Yeah.
crazy though.
They came out with a new one. It's like milk and cookies or something like that.
No way, bro.
Ooh. Yeah, the Oreo
I know
cheesecake.
they got an Oreo. Yeah.
Look at this, boys. Will we get our top wick here? What do you know, Geronimo?
Wow, heading up right now.
Yeah,
Awesome.
Oreo. Cheesecake Factory and White Plains is garbage. I don't think I ever had that one. Shout out to White Plains. I used to be in White Plains a lot. So David knows where Rockland is. If you know where White Plains is, then you definitely know where Rockland's at. Have you ever been to Rockland County, David? That's where I grew up.
David, we may have passed each other at some point in the past.
Might have seen you at the Palisades Mall or something. Might even have contacted you and got your number. Yeah, there you go. Gold creating that top wick now. So now we have a top wick. Let's see where we close.
Yo, I still think it's so crazy that someone was in the chat the one day was like, "Bro, I met you at Barnes & Noble like 6 years ago," and it was like actually him.
Yeah, it was him. I was actually talking to him after the live stream that day.
That's awesome.
Somebody else told me they seen me here in like Target or something locally here. I'm like, oh damn.
I remember that like way back in like
Yeah, remember that?
yeah.
Got to take the long way home these days, man. Follow me to my crib.
Nah, bro, I feel like we almost saw him too. Remember that one time, Nick?
Yeah, that's
I
right.
remember.
Yeah, that dude was looking at us
Bro.
like, I know you guys. And we are like, you watched the live stream?
Yeah. We were walking out of Target, like smiling, looking at us. And then we remembered that comment.
Yo, that's hilarious.
I'm like,
Right?
yo, that guy might be from stream. Hurry up, run. I think we took a loss that day. Run. Oh, man. By Woodbury. Yeah, Woodbury Commons. Yeah, West Nyack. Yeah, I grew up right next to West Nyack there.
Oh, damn, David, you close. Nice.
Suffern and Spring Valley. Oh, yeah, there you go. There it is. Cam, you do the crip walk? Oh, Ken or Cam? That's true. I was at Target. Oh, damn. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this. Moving up here
I
now.
was Target. He said he is Target.
Oh.
That's funny.
4 hour, man. Just no bottom wick. Just moved on up. 100 pips. All right. If gold can move up and GJ can move down, that wouldn't be too shabby. Gold, I'm a little sketched out about this daily time frame here. I mean, GJ. A little sketchy. You might see green out there too. Whoa. Literally bought something at Woodbury Commons on Saturday. Oh, nice. Yeah, I haven't been to Woodbury in a bit. Green, yeah, green might be outside your house, man. You never know with this guy. You say the wrong thing in the chat. That boy, green might be outside the crib. Oi! A lot of Asian people. Oh yeah, a lot of Asian people at Woodbury. Yeah, they love shopping up there. All right, give me a moment. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you know, yo, chat, make sure you check your windows. Green might be there. Take Inosha's advice.
Yo, Cheryl, good looks. I just switched it. I forgot about that, bro. What up, C4? I don't think I would have seen your comment, bro.
Order.
Yeah, it blocked it in the top chat. You gotta go to the live chat. If Young Green don't trust you, he gonna shoot you. C4. Get Nick to switch to, if I remember. He probably hears me yapping about it right now, bro. Yapping. What up, Muammar? Oi.
Wait.
I hope I pronounced that right.
C4. Shout out to C4. 4 hour looking juicer.
Sure.
Yeah, it's like one thing I like with how like this daily looks is if you go back to the daily time frame on March 15th this year, it's like doing the exact same thing. Go up some.
Oh,
sorry, I wasn't looking
my
at
bad.
your. Yeah. So like, you see how that previous daily candle closed bearish how it did, and
Yep.
then that next one kind of like drove down and came up, closed above,
Broke the
but
lows too.
respected. Yeah, like stayed above.
Yep.
1900. But I feel like if you look right and then go to our daily candle, it's like you're seeing the exact same thing. Yeah, it's a little higher up though.
Yes, sir. Can we break the highs? Yeah, 4 hour candles closing up here in 1 minute. So we do have some nice clean range. Looks like 15-minute giving us a support here as well. So yeah.
This is looking clean.
1 minute for the candle to close. GJ is going to close. 4 hours going to close bearish, it looks like. Unless we flip bullish here in 30 seconds. Just a yucky range here on pound yen on the 1 hour. Nothing to do there. Gold, are we going to close above or below, or what are we going to do? All right, so here's the new 4 hour candle. So 4 hour did close bullish, pretty strong bullish. I guess we could expect the next 4 hour to come up, fill this wick, right, and retest these highs up here. So we'll see what happens. 4 hours, oh, getting ready to go. We should come down and make some sort of a bottom wick, I would assume, and then continue up. But see what happens here. We just opened up. Let's go ahead and take a look at GJ. GJ closed back in the range here, so nothing going on pound yen, man. Gotta get a closure outside of this range. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours straight consolidation. So if we do get a breakout, you should see a really nice push there on GJ, but that doesn't seem to be happening just yet. Gold, yeah, gold, we'll see.
Gold is ID.
Yeah, currently ID. We're in the first 1 minute here of the 4 hour candle. So GJ QR code, yep. What do I think about the Nasdaq? Let's take a look. Oh, 4 hour closed bearish here. Very nice. So yeah, we should continue down, I would assume. Want to see obviously a top wick here, but yeah, you also closed right in this range here, so I would wait for a top wick definitely, and then break the lows before entering, just like gold. Bottom wick and possible entry. Yeah, it would be awesome if we can come down and create a support. That would be great. And then move back up. We'll see if we can get that. But I do expect the bottom wick here on the 4 hour. $30-minute celery on gold. Yeah, I see the price action for it, definitely. But we gotta wait. Oh, look at this. Here comes our bottom wick. Yeah, I think 9:30 might be a better position here. Maybe 9:15, but we'll let this 15 move along here. Do what it needs to do, and then we'll take a look. Possible positions on the next 15. Yeah, because we want to see if possibly we could fill this wick here. Or will we fill this wick? Right? The playbook works on KFC stocks. What's the plan for the stop loss? No plan for the stops yet. If anything, 15-minute lows are about 42 pips. Really want to see if we can get some better price action here. Oh yeah, nice push down here. Attention haters. What up, Trav? Travis in the building. What's up, brother? Moving down here, moving down. Yeah, this could also be our, remember, we're bearish on the day here, right? So this could also be our top wick for price to move down. So that's why I don't want to jump on buys or anything right here, right now. I want to see how this 15 is going to close, right? Because are we gonna close below the support here or above this resistance, right? That's really what we want to see. Because this right here could be a fake out, right? This could be a fake out now. For some reason my candles don't match yours. May just be your broker or something. John, did you trade Asian yesterday?
Nah,
No?
nah, but I saw those gold cells. No top wick though.
Oh, I wanted those cells so bad. I wanted
Those are
them.
clean. Those are very clean.
They were.
What are you gonna do, right? Can't just browse.
Yeah, that was right here, this candle. I was targeting that wick fill. And what did we do? We tapped right into that wick fill.
Money.
Yeah, that was nice move there. No FOMO. Hey, I just started studying Forex on baby pips. Oh, nice. What do you recommend I do after that? Show up to the streams. Yeah, if you got time in the morning or wherever you are, if you got time around the New York session, pull up on the stream. Just like basically like a live course. You know, a lot of times we're talking about important things. Sometimes we're just BSing, but you know, most of the time we're there's a lot of good value here that could probably help you on your journey. Oh, I found it. There it is. Yeah, for all you guys looking for our strategy.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
There's zero strategy here. Nothing. Just tuned into your channel. Oh, nice. Welcome, welcome. First time a few days ago. Seeing you totally be patient, waiting for a setup. Motivate me? Oh, nice. NHO. Let's go. Yeah, you guys know this was a no trade range here for me today. So not touching anything in here. Where's Bruce? We got Bruce. Brucey might come out today. We'll see. Tell
Sure.
Bruce.
Sound of that.
Tell him to bring me my money.
Tell him, bring me my money. Hey. I forgot that they start chanting in the back of that one. You You guys ready for the go sell, dude? So what? What you want? Everything's for sale. What you want? It's all for sale. Time to quake. Coming back up now.
Got right into that rejection area.
Yep.
Right where we wait.
Yo, that's sick. Who is this? Chawla. He got a poster printed out of the playbook
Oh, nice.
that
Where at?
Scott made. And
In the
it's
Discord?
Yeah, in the New York session channel.
Oh.
Yeah, shout out David. I wouldn't have seen that probably.
Oh, nice, bro.
Big old poster, bro. Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, printed it out. That's fire. Dope. Oh, what you eating here? What we got in the food channel today? Oh, nice. Bananas. I don't even know what that is. Oh, no, those aren't bananas. Those are shrimp. Oh, okay. Sergio with the homemade. Oh, okay. Everyone's eating shrimp here today. Oh, Sergio, man. You big balling out here, man. You big balling. You got Discord? Yeah, Discord's right here. Let's see what you guys are grubbing on here. What you guys eating? Anything good? Yeah, there we go. There we go. He knows. He knows.
Ground beef all day, every day.
Speaking of bacon, egg, and cheese, this was my bacon, egg, and cheese here in New York.
Ooh.
Holy!
Stop playing.
Stop.
Yes. That's
Oh,
yours.
yeah. AB Mike, big dinners. This is how ribs should look like.
Yes.
That's how a spare rib should look right there.
That's facts right there.
Yeah.
Fun times, man.
Good times. 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the 15 here. That brother starving. This is a nice steak I had not too long ago. That was a juicer right there, boys. Juicer. That's it. Just bring me that.
Yes.
I don't need the sides. Leave the sides on the side. All right. Two minutes. All right, looks like we're gonna close up shop here and just stuck in the range a bit. We do know that 930 is gonna bring in a lot of volume. We just need some direction here. Gold going down if we close below 22. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, with a wick to fill. Yep. Doesn't look like this 15 is going to do it for us, though, so we may need to wait here. 9:30 news. I didn't see. 9:15, 9:20. Yeah, we have. So basically, we have news all throughout the session at this point, gang. So we're not going to be holding off on any of these yellow folders. If the position's there, we're going to take it. Right? Maybe some of these red folders we'll hold off on, but any of these yellow folders moving throughout the session, if price action is good, we're going to be taking those positions. Yeah, volume hasn't been, last few weeks. So yeah, 15 is going to close back in the range here. I'm not going to touch this. I think overall we should move down, but there's a lot of support in this area, and there's no telling whether or not we can move up, right? So again, no trade range here for me. Not going to touch anything within this range. Barcode. 15-minute barcode loading. 1 hour barcode on pound yen. Who took the buys? Come on, easiest strategy in the game here. You could be right 5 times and then lose once. Who cares?
Yep.
All right. You get that barcode starting. This candle, sell. This candle, buy. This candle, sell. This candle, buy. And eventually you'll be wrong, but look at that. 3 positions, 4 positions, 4 wins. Can't knock the barcode strategy, man. I'm all in on US 30. Nice. Very nice. Some of you guys are like, yeah, yo, that's actually true. Let me run that barcode strategy. You just trade till you're wrong. Right? We're going to add the barcode to the strategy. You just keep trading it until you're wrong. That's it.
Yeah, bro, honestly.
Yo, NY session has been chalked, bro.
It's like the no SL king.
Yeah.
It works till it doesn't.
Yeah.
And then you blow your account.
That's it. Man, NY session has been just sluggish.
Sleep. About to just start pulling up for London.
Yeah.
Got it. Honestly. That's why it's smart to trade all sessions. Because when one session's chalk, you got other sessions, right? That are fire, so.
We'll just live stream the New York session to go over the food channel here on the Discord.
How could you tell if it's a barcode hour before the market printed at least 3? Listen, we're trolling. Don't think into it. It's nothing. There is no strategy to the barcode. It just goes up, down, up, down, up, down. That's why it's called barcode.
The 24-hour stream? Yeah, we're going to run that 24-hour stream. I was going to do it this week, but I may give us all some more time and do it the last Thursday of the month. So finish out the month with it. And that also gives me time to arrange a few things and get some friends to come by and give you guys some nice nuggets and some inspiration. We'll have some other traders come by, pass on through that day. But yeah, probably gonna do. I'm looking at my calendar here. So the last Thursday of the month is the 26th. So that's not this Thursday, but next Thursday. So probably gonna do it then. Yeah, London session. Yeah.
It'll be fun. Asian, London, New York, baby. Oh.
Trade them all. No sleep strategy. Or Yeah, we're also gonna. We think we have our eyes set on a certain charity foundation that we want to potentially give to. So we may run a charity event for the 24-hour stream as well. I seen Chart Addicts. The one time they did a 24-hour stream, and they ran some sort of charity as well. So I think that would be cool, right? We'll have a nice cause to it. Where is FX Viking, by the way? Because he came up with the idea. Yeah, we'll raise some money. There's some things that we can. There's some needs for sure that we could fill down here in Tampa. And usually when I give, I like to be on the ground, right? For the most part, I like to have the boots on the ground and participate. So, yeah, that'll be dope. That'll be dope.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get some of my friends on the live stream too that day.
You gonna turn it up for Tampa?
Turn up for Tampa.
Hey, Fun Zone London session's coming, man. London session's coming. Keep you updated.
Yeah, we help the homeless out a lot down there. I would like to, if we are gonna do some sort of charity, maybe we can help the kids out. There's a lot of unfortunate kids out in downtown Tampa. So I think we could put together something together for the kids this time. Yeah, I like that. Uh-oh. 15-minute. Just chopping around. Could you tell us what kind of stuff you journal every morning? I like to, number one, I just write 5 things I'm grateful for. Number 2, I write down my goal that I'm currently after, my financial goal. And I write it down as if I've already got it. And then I usually just write a thank you letter to God every morning, man. Just expressing gratitude. Yeah. Get your morning routine right. It'll change your life. Start to do some breath work, right? Get some oxygen into that dome, right? Get some breath work in and stretch out a bit, right? Before you get to the markets, don't just roll out of bed and, try and trade. $9.30 will hopefully push us. Yeah, we'll see. Nothing here on pound yen, man. Just chalked. Gold coming back up though. Attempting to come back up here.
Good morning, sir. Sir, buy or sell? Good morning, Nav.
Mike's in the building. What up, Mike?
Alright, now we can take a trade.
Mike.
Now we can take a trade.
Mike. What up, Mike? How you feeling today, bro?
We've been holding off all morning just for you.
Been waiting for you, man. Mike's here.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called We Do a Little Trolling.
We do a little trolling Mike style today. like Mike. You feeling good? Good. Good to hear that.
Peter. That better be volume, Mike here. It's all your fault. That's so funny.
Yo,
bro.
everything rides on Mike here today, gang. Everything.
If we take a L,
If
you
we-
gotta go talk to him, bro.
If we lose today, gang, you got to bring that up with Mike, man. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna just have Mike troll y'all, cause he's like one of the king trollers here. We just get him to troll y'all. If I wanted to have some trolling warriors, I'd probably get, yeah, I've got a little lineup in my head. We've got some good trollers here.
The Task Force Troll Squad, bro.
Yeah, we got the whole SWAT team, bro. We got the whole SWAT. Blame Mike. Z Gamer. What up, Z Gamer? Where's Shad at? Hey, where's Classic at? He's good? Anyone talk to Classic? I know he was busy or something this week, right? Something was going on this week. But shout out to Classic. I know he's on a little vacay. Where's Shad at today? Shad. W for Classic, yeah. Is this a funded account? Yeah, a funded account, yep. Sell gold? Sell it up. All right, 30 minutes. What are you gonna do here? Yuck. See what I mean? This is why earlier today we said this was gonna be a no trade range. Just choppy. Nothing.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Gold is not that guy here. Barcode. Come on, 30. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? GJ? Psh. Psh. Chalked.
GJ.
DJ's that barcode.
Dog water. Oh, gold. Goldie. Will you close below for us? Sam, I think you need to call JP. We're gonna have a problem here. Give him a buzz. See what's going on with price of gold here. London stole all the volume. Yeah, it did. Yep. Asian was nice, and London was nice too. New York, not so much. Let's see. We need you back for an Asian session, Nick. Oh, this week, tonight? Yeah, this week's going to be a busy. I got some things going on in the evening, but next week we'll get an Asian stream in. Yeah, definitely. Ah, come on, man.
Yeah.
GJ, bullish, gold, bearish. Those are good signs. Yeah, it's probably going to run here 9:30. Yeah, we need a stop loss here and no top wick. Might just run. Would I have taken any trade in London? Possibly. This was 6 a.m. So London. Yeah, maybe a buy above here. 30-minute celery play. So maybe this buy here. Looks like you got a little top wick and came up to that resistance. So maybe this trade right here. 3 a.m. too. So yeah. Yeah, we also had support on gold during the Asian session. Got this breakout here, but again, no bottom wick there. So really wanted this move during the Asian. This happened in like 15 minutes too. Very quick move here. If gold bleeds, I'm out. Word. If gold bleeds, I'm just chucking the headset.
Like that SpongeBob meme. Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Some of you guys are in it with no top wick. That's how your heart is pumping right now. Took the London session trade, which you're talking about, but in 15 got stopped out. Oh, 15. Oh, yeah, nasty 15. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, that's why the 30-minute confirmation is always the best. Another boring day here on gold. Another one.
Gold sleeping.
The side of. Oh snap! Oh snap!
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Will we make a top wick? Or will we just push down? Oh. Whoop. Top wick. Top wick. Little one. Next shot is 9:45 here. We made a little bit of a top wick there. Just a little bit. So if the 15 goes below, then we've got a clean move coming down. Nice 30 pip range here. The sound effects. What up, TK Capitals? Gold just burning me for a good minute. Oh. Yeah, that's why this range here is just choppy, man. Choppy, choppy. Caught 26 pips on Nas 100. Nice. Post it in the charts for stream. I want to see the trade. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq trade here. Yeah, nice. 4-hour closure. Tapped. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the trade I would have taken too. Gold struggling. Struggling for that closure. Doesn't know, do I want to make a top wick? It knows it's supposed to. Right? It knows it's supposed to make the top wick, but it's trying not to. I'm in the Nasdaq trade. Nice. Probably Nasdaq will probably start trading probably next year, 2024. I like it. It's a pretty nice pair for the most part. I like it a lot better than US 30. Moves pretty similar to gold.
Yeah.
US 30. Yeah. Nothing. Nothing here on gold. Oh. What is this?
You look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
the
it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. You got me running all around the car.
Yo, there's our top wick, gold. We knew you could do it. Any trading books you recommend? Right here. Price Action, Live Trading. That's going to be the best trading book you can do. You can read. Is come up to the charts every day and read price. And outside of that, I would recommend The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. Random piece of the book. After each trade, I always win either pips or experience. Don't let that one go over your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, Firebook.
Yo, thank you, Nav.
How do you feel about Al Brooks's trading psychology? I've never looked into it. Have you guys read that one? John? Sam? I don't think I've ever read that
Nope.
one. I've heard of that guy's name, but... Look at this. Look at this. 930. Oh, 1 hour moving back up here. Four-hour moving back up. Can we do a short analysis on Nasdaq every day? Yes. Yes, we will. If 1 hour closes bearish around this price, are you looking for sells? No, I'm gonna stay out of this range here, man. Yeah, until we get some sort of closures outside of here, I'm not gonna touch anything in here. Yeah. What firm? What firm? The funded trader. Can we take celery play without range 2? Are you talking about this buy? Yes, you can. We are bearish on the day, but yes, I think if you do get a closure outside of the range and then start breaking these highs, we should be good to fill the range here. But gold is looking nasty today. GJ as well. GJ don't know what is going on. GJ don't know what day of the week it is here. Is this a funded account? Sorry, I'm new here. This is a challenge account. So yeah, this is a 400K challenge account. Yeah, I had a funded account with my Forex funds, but they got shut down. They were a company that was really standing out really well. Everything seemed really good with them. Outside of some of the slippage and the spreads, but payouts and everything were money. They were right on time every time, but yeah, it looks like they got caught cheating. So they had to go bye-bye. And along with them going bye-bye, my account went bye-bye. They got caught lacking. FTMO challenge? Oh, nice. Yeah, I worked with FTMO too. So I had FTMO accounts as well. FTMO and my Forex funds, they were the only companies I worked with, but now I'm with the funded trader. And to be honest, I'm a little uneasy about some of these firms and their brokers at this point. So yeah, I might go another route here pretty soon. We'll see. Did I hear bye-bye? No, you heard Mike. Did I lose money? No, I didn't lose any money. Yeah, I have a personal account as well with Dominion Markets. So yeah, I'll probably use that one also, and probably put some more money in that one too. We lost faith in my Forex fund. My frozen funds? Did I try Blue Guardian? No. Hell no. Actually, yes. I do have an account with them also. So I have a few personal accounts. I forgot the new name. Thankfully, I didn't have that much money at all in that account, but yeah, I actually do have them. Forgot that new name swap. So yeah. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna load 10 or maybe 20 grand or something into my Dominion Markets account and trade that as well. I trade my own capital. You can't beat 500 to 1 leverage. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you, Cam. Yeah, it's been a minute since I really traded my own capital, like a good amount, so that should be fun.
I'm down to do both of them. I'm down to have my
Same.
personal account. I'm down to have a funded account too.
Same. Yeah, don't get me wrong. I wanna run this 400K up too, but we'll see. Run it up. I love the interviews.
Because if everything's going good, with the funded companies, like I would obviously, of course, rather that, but I'd rather trade my own personal capital as well.
Yeah. I've never
And just in
personally.
case the funded companies are sketch, right? I'll have my own personal account, but if they're not, then we'll get funded.
Yeah, I've never had like a payout issue or anything. The slippage and that stuff, yes, but never had any payout issues. But I've heard of some people who have, and that's a little sketchy too. Oh, here goes the move up. So 1 hour just flipped. Oh, nice.
Peter, definitely.
What were stops there? Stops were, yeah, 67 pips. So
1 hour was looking clean.
Raja's doing a lot of good things with Dominion. Yeah, I definitely believe it. All right, now we're moving. So 9:30, bringing the tail end here. 15-minute moving up.
Straight to 1932.
Rip sellers, man. Yeah, we should come right to 1932 here. Let's watch it. All right. Will we have a new wick fill? There goes phase one. Nice, J. W, bro. Good stuff.
Oh.
This 4 hours motivated, yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can catch the wick fill here. So 1 hour come down, maybe give us that wick fill. We got support now, right? We needed that support on 30. We still have a few minutes for this candle to close, but it looks like we've got our support on the 30-minute time frame. So, yeah, let's see. See if we get a wick fill. Very, very clean traffic moving on up here today. The stops are huge. Yeah, they are. Yep, we're most likely would have to use the current 30-minute stops. Or we could use maybe the 15. Yeah, we haven't done much here, right, on the 30, and now we're finally creating a support with a lot of volume here. So, yeah, we may, if we pull back a bit, we can get a closure somewhere down here, bottom wick, and then ride the wick fill up. What do you think, Johnny boy? Wick fill or what?
Yes, sir. I think that's fire. We get it, definitely.
Or we just sell GJ on the next candle and make 25 pips.
On the market.
On the BC
That 1 hour
strategy.
was clean. Stops are massive. Stops are massive, bro.
Yeah, I wanted to take the 1 hour flip, but two big stops. Plus the 15. Yeah, we created a nice support there. But it would be much better if we get a 30.
I was going to take down the 1 hour, but yeah.
Yeah, if the next candle could like make a bottom wick, like directly where your mouse just was.
Yeah.
Is that why you had it there?
No.
Oh.
I want to see a closure like right here though.
Yeah, exactly. That's what
Bottom wick.
Yeah, and then like boom.
Brucey's waiting. Yeah, if this wasn't such a choppy range, then I may have entered off the 15 support, but remember what the plan was in the beginning of the live stream? To stay out of this range, right? To just wait for closures. That was the decision I made while I had a logical while I was in a logical state of mind. So I don't want emotions here to make me pull the trigger. I want to make sure I continue to stay logical. So what happened to Nas 100? What happened? Holy! There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
She bleeding.
AB Mike chilling. Yeah, right into this wick zone here. What confirmation am I looking for after the closure? Just a bottom wick, and then that's it. We could fire off. But yeah, that's all. So nice closure down here would be perfect. We get like a closure like right here, somewhere right here, and then we fill this wick, retest that support, and if price wants to continue up, it can. But I'll probably close 80% of my position right around here.
Or that wick fill is clean. Definitely.
We got one more 5-minute candle here. Can we just pull back a little? We also have the closure of a new 1-hour candle as well. This song got me feeling relaxed. Same.
Vortex floating.
Vortex floating right now. It's floating. Dude, we have more news come out here, right? Just recently? Think so. 9:20, right? Oh, that was just a speech. We got some more yellow folders here at 10, so that should bring some volume in here. Yeah, it should bring some volume.
Bring out the volume, baby.
Bring out the volume. Traders Global was their broker. No one knew. Yeah, Traders Global.
Sketchy.
Just a bit sketchy there. What they were really doing was, unfortunately, they were targeting a lot of their traders that were profitable. So a lot of the traders with live accounts, which were really their only expenses, right, outside of marketing and outside of maybe some website management, the only expense was the profitable trader. So, you know, they were really doing profitable traders dirty, man, slipping them in and out of positions, especially the ones with the live accounts. Like I had, you know, we've seen some very questionable slippage on my own account, right, that we were trading here on the live stream. So, yeah.
Yeah, but these CEOs, man, they gotta think like before starting this and opening the funding companies, they gotta think, all right, what if every trader starts passing these accounts, right? How are we gonna still be profitable? Like they got at least some companies, I hope, are putting that into consideration. Unlike my frozen funds.
Yeah. Because that's like the reality with them. You know, prop firms is like help traders gain capital. You know, help people actually become professional traders. Because the only real barrier, I mean, obviously, knowledge and everything aside, is capital. But it's like, yeah, bro, they were doing sketchy things. It was like they didn't want people to win. Because they were.
It wasn't making them more money.
Which is crazy, because it's like.
Greed, man, greed.
Imagine you did have a group of profitable traders in. Like, they even had their 3-month, like, what was it? VIP, whatever it was? Like,
yeah.
Just move move that group to where. I don't know, bro. I'm just thinking like how I would do it.
Yeah.
Like, that would be like live capital group. You can show what you know what you're doing for like 3 months. Then like, yeah, exactly what TK said. Here's an idea. Book the fire traders. Exactly. That's what I was saying. It's like everyone. Yeah.
But they weren't in it for the trading game. They were in it for the sales and marketing game, pretty much.
Exactly.
As are most of the prop firms. But I mean, they pay. You know, most of them pay. So. My thing was, as long as they're paying, I knew the money wasn't coming out of the liquidity, right? Like, I'm not that dumb, you know, but as long as they were paying, I was fine. But, and actually, it actually happened perfect time because I was actually on drawdown on my account. So that worked out. I'm glad it wasn't one of the months where I had like a big payout or something. That would have sucked.
Yeah, or like just finishing passing like
yeah, man, that's a bummer.
That's how I feel for those people that were on like phase 2 I ain't hell anybody that bought a challenge, bro. Wasted your money. Shit, literally just could. You better. You have more fun lighting on fire.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get a bottom wick here. Chat, and we'll see if we can come up and fill that wick. Need a bottom wick here, though. This is our high. Let's see if we can come down and make a bottom wick. And GJ, yeah. GJ might go down here. $12 pip range. I'd rather see if we can wait on gold here. Stops are going to be this
the bar card's
current.
getting small.
Yeah, stops are most likely going to be the current candle low. So let's see if we can come down, back down to 1926, 600. Tap that on the nose and then re-break the high. I got my money back. Yeah, a lot of people actually got money back from my Forex funds, believe it or not. Called the bank up, told them it was a scam. Yeah.
Damn.
Dang.
Yeah, I think
That's
if the
hilarious.
transaction happened within like 6 months, then you were able to get all the money back.
That's good.
Come on, bro. So we need this wick to come down, right? Because this wick becomes our stop loss. So we can't use this stop, right? I mean, we can, but this is going to, if we can get a stop back in the range here, like a low created down here and then re-break the high, then I think that's going to be the best situation here for us. Time to get some money back? Yeah. Start calling y'all banks. Yeah, I just put y'all on game there. Yep. Yeah, I have a few friends that have done it. Oh, don't tell me that's it. Call the bank. I follow you 2 months. I see you mark wrong zone each day. Oh, nice. Very nice.
That's crazy. Pull up for 2 months straight to just see if the zones are marked wrong to you.
Yes.
It's a different level.
That's
of,
commitment.
Yeah.
Bye, Goldie.
Not crazy, bro.
The bank's customer support. Oh, that's insane. How about insane? How about we say insane? No, you got to tell them it was a charge from Traders Global, right? I think it's a Traders Global charge. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Traders Global, right? Was the name of the actual company itself, or was it actually my Forex? I can't remember.
No, I think you're right. I think it was like in like the court document and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Sketch. Wish me luck.
Very
I joined
sketch.
the Dominion Leaderboard Challenge. Oh, nice. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Transaction appears as MFF. Yeah, but like you could have a business on top of like another one, bro. Like I
Yeah.
forget what it's called, like a holding company. Yeah. So it's like the money would go to MFF, but then through MFF it goes to Traders Global. or whatever
Yep.
system they're using, bro. I would have no idea what they got going on in the back end.
Yeah.
Yeah, who knows? See why we settle for good top wick? Look at that. Would have just got stopped out if we'd have took that.
Yeah. Oh,
There've been some Quakers.
Win rate 77%. Yeah, break evens are wash trades, man. They're like those trades didn't even happen. Yeah, we went from an 80% win rate to a 77% win rate. So I could still live with it.
Yeah, man, over a year, we in profit.
Yeah, we chilling. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, GJ moving down. Let's see. Yeah. How is it 70 for 7? Oh man, I don't know, bro. You got to do 96 wins, 29 losses. It should come out to like 77. Yeah, it really.
Bro, you're dividing the wins by the losses, not by the total trades, bro. You take 29 and divide it by, so it takes 96 plus 29, add it together. And then you take that number, take 96 divided by whatever. I gotta
Welcome to math class.
bro. Like, I really gotta teach 96 plus 29 is 125. You can't see my screen well, right? So if I take 96 divided by 125, you get 0.768. So 76.8.
There you go.
Bink.
Just about 77.
There's your math class, baby.
Love you for math.
Back in math class.
W for math, yeah, bro. Hey, come on, bro. You're in here just Sammy emotions heavy today. God, bro, I just like, dude's in here making himself look smart.
And if you ain't good at math, just ask Google for a percentage calculator.
Dun, dun.
Nah, I just like I don't understand why people focus like this is what the thing is, right? If you were to just pull up and not focus on the win rate, but just learn how to do what we're doing day in, day out, win or loss, like that's what you should be focused on. I mean, if the win rate scares you, then
Chat GPT it. Let the AI do it for you. Don't use Chat GPT. All right, let's see how the 15 closes here. Not doing much on this 15. Five-minute choppy. 5 getting choppy. Oh, damn. Yeah, I really don't feel like entering on the break of this high here.
Anything could happen when these current candle stops.
Why not take this? There's 3 minutes left here in the 15-minute candle, so just gonna wait. Maybe 10, 15, maybe 30. Why are we not taking a trade? This candle popped up right here and then came down and make a bottom wick, right? So I wasn't gonna enter on the flip, and yeah, there's no entry for me. Maybe what I wanted to see was this candle roll bullish and then give us a bottom wick, and then we could have entered on the break of the highs. But the highs came all the way up to 1930, 300, and then came back down. All right, so you could fluctuate all in between here and never break the high again. So that's why I didn't take that position. But if that looked good for you guys, you know, don't let me keep you guys out, right? Don't ever let me keep you guys out of a trade. Yeah, if you guys like it, you guys have to pull the trigger, right? As traders, you gotta pull the trigger on trades that you believe in. You can't let me sway you in or sway you out, right? If you believe in what I'm seeing and saying, then yes, and we line up, then yeah, let's take the trades together. But, you know, you guys are also your own independent traders. So if something looks good, go ahead, you know, let it rip. That's how you build confidence in yourself and, you know, in taking entries and entering the markets. Let's see what happens. I got activated. Nice. Yeah, the flip I didn't want to enter on. There was just no confirmation. Maybe if this wick went down further, then the flip, but yeah. And then the break of the highs were right here. So you're, you know, 1 or 2 pips up and you're right near this wick. So just not a good entry point up here. Four hours already pushed up, right? Came into that zone, so 15's closing here in 20 seconds. Let's take a look at pound yen here. GJ trying to move above. May close above here on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, there's another pretty strong. Where is that resistance here? Yeah, like right here. Yeah, above that, you got even cleaner traffic coming up. W pattern? A W, baby. W.
You.
Nasdaq coming back up here. Ooh,
Yo, I was literally just looking at that too. That's
sheesh.
crazy.
No wick at the top. Now you got a wick at the top. How many was that? I guess depending on where you entered, right? Flip got you about 29. And then a break of the high, I think, was right around here. Got you, what, like 8? Maybe 8? Oh, we almost came up here for the Pacquiao. You're right. Daily pack runner. I got 17. Nice. Nice, nice.
DJ come on up.
GJ's coming up. Let's go. 30 minute. 15 closed below, but 30 minute may close above. And that'll probably be my final attempt here in the live stream. BRB.
Ashley, why didn't you take GJ when it closed into the trade zone? We want to see a 30-minute closure out of the zone. Why the 30? Because the 30 is a stronger time frame. Has stronger data than the 15-minute.
Yeah, that and then like the candle made it soft wick first, so it's like when this candle opened up, it went up like this, like to like here, and then came down, made this bottom wick to here. So now, what you were gonna enter, like your entry here would be like here. The stops below here, but like if the candle would have just did the bottom wick first and pull back here like this first, and then when it flips to go up to bullish and breaks its high, boom, like see how much better of an entry you have there, and we would have definitely got our, I believe this is like 20 pip wick fill.
Oh yeah, that's I think 29 even.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely the flip for sure.
But it's just like the trade didn't wasn't that great. Like
It didn't.
there wasn't there wasn't too much wick left to fill. Like in my opinion, after it did that. So it's like, but that's like another one of those situations where it's like you just look at it. It's like, do I really want to put my money up here? Like,
Yeah, I agree with that.
do I only trade New York Station? Yeah, I kind of look at like all of them sometimes, but I only like to trade New York. I just get a higher win rate in New York. Like when I first started trading, I traded only London for the first like I don't know, like year and a half probably, and then I started trading New York, and I was like, yo. Or no, it wouldn't have been that long. I don't think it was that long. It's just like New York, bro, with the volume.
Just trust your analysis. Get in some time with no, this wasn't my trade. This is not my trade here, gang. Whatever happened here, not my trade.
We might not even have seen 10 pips on that.
Yeah. 3 words. Not my trade. Simple. Close your eyes and buy. GJ moving up. Yeah, I predicted the move, yes. But once the setup presented itself, it turned into not my trade. Because I don't like when price moves up 15 pips and then comes down, right? I want to see what I want to see. And if I don't see that, then it's considered not my trade. I lose nothing by holding off. I lose everything by jumping the gun.
Yeah.
Right?
So true.
I lose nothing by holding off. When I see something that doesn't line up and seems fishy to me, I'm not going to take that. That's not my trade, right? I've been sitting here for 3 years now watching this stuff. So just not my trade. Maybe your trade, not my trade. Your trade, not my trade. Yeah, you can know exactly where volume's going to go. That's not the craft. That's not the skill set. Maybe if you're a swing trader. But knowing where volume's going to go is just a part of this. Right? But we have specific setups, specific entries that we use to pull profits from the market. So when those things don't line up, you know, there's no more thinking. Oh. My doors don't have knobs? Come on, man. GJ still calling my name. GJ. Yeah, same thing here, right? We anticipate a move up, but really no bottom wick, so nothing for me. Right? It's just a matter of discipline sometimes. Sometimes you guys may think, he doesn't do the trade, he's not getting in trades, but that's fine, right? Because I'm not going to jump in something because somebody wants me to jump in it. I'm jumping in it because I've seen it over and over again, right? And I have confidence in it. So when a candle opens up and moves 16, 17 pips without making a bottom wick, that right there I start losing confidence in that move, right? Because I've seen that happen many times where price come up, 15, 16 pips, come down, tap buyers in and drive back down. It's very similar to what you're seeing now. Only difference is there was probably just a bit more room to skate out of there with a profit here today. All right, Rob Trades. Good to see you here today, bro. We'll see you tomorrow, brother. So if it wicks down first, yes, correct. Remember what I said, right? When the candle opened, I said, all right, we need a wick down, tap into 1926, 600, right? Those are my exact words. And then we need to flip and move bullish, right? But that's not what happened. Price went bullish right away, almost 20 pips, and then came down, right? So now this thing could fluctuate, up and down, up and down. There's no confirmation there at that point. O'Keefe's on the run. That sounds like a business name. That sounds like what kind of business is that? You're welcome for the knowledge. It's got to be a business. O'Keefe's on the run. What do you guys think? Refrigerator company?
I have no idea.
Some sort of delivery company?
What is it? Something on the run?
O'Keefe's on the run.
O'Keefe's on the run?
Running away from home? Bank robber?
You could be like a plumber, bro. The sink's running.
See, does this flip right here give you a high probability of moving up? Would you guys take it on the flip here? What do you think? Right, because price has already moved around and fluctuated in this zone here. So there's no guaranteed confirmation at all at that point. Right? Nick, thanks for saving me again, brother. Oh, nice. Sparks. What up, Sparky Sparks? Sparks. Is that a business too? Sparks. There was a really good diner in my hometown called Sparky's. The best. Tony. Do you have a scalping strategy for when the 30-minute candle fails to break previous candle high and sells off? Yeah, if it closes back below the range, then that's my opportunity to possibly take sells. But yeah, if it's closing above this range, and that's still buy zone, right? That's still gonna potentially move up, being that the candle didn't close below the range. I guess I got to get back to fixing toilets.
Work.
Oh, GJ, gone. Yeah, remember we said once it breaks out and starts breaking through highs, it's most likely going to move. After a consolidation like that, same thing with gold, right? After a very, very high consolidation, 15-minute ripped, right? Once it started breaking out of that zone. Oh, not a business. It's my channel name. Oh, nice. Your channel is a business. Yeah. All right. That's probably going to do it for me here. This no bueno here. So we may move up here. We may move down. There's no sure sign here, right? So not going to be touching anything here. So yeah, it looks like a no trade day here on stream. There may be some moves afterwards, but as of right now, nothing, man. Not gonna take sells. We never close below. Not gonna take buys. We're in this rejection, so that'll do it here, gang. That will do it. I think so.
Goldie, Goldie, Goldie.
Yes, sir.
Another day, another chop.
Another choppy NY sesh. That's okay. Well, I'll be keeping an eye on the charts here as we move into the later part of the session. Especially after all this news has come out, you may get some sort of cleaner price action in like an hour or two. So yeah, you may get some midday volume here on gold, but as for now, I'm not gonna sit around here. I got a few things to do, so yeah, that'll be the day. W discipline for those who did scalp positions today and walked away with a profit. Nice job, congratulations. For those who may have messed up a little bit, it's okay. Just take it as a lesson, and tomorrow is a new day. So God bless you guys. Love you guys. Sam, John, hope y'all have a great one.
Love you guys.
Boys.
We'll chat a little bit
Love y'all.
later.
Peace, chat.
Peace, boys.
Sure.
Everyone in the chat, see you. Have a beautiful day.
Beautiful.
Peace, chat.
All right, gang. Later. Hope y'all have a good one. Bless up today. If you were going to give me a, what is it called? Donation, save that donation and go give it to somebody else out there that needs it. All right. Love y'all. Hope you have a good one. I'm out of here. See you tomorrow. Peace.